Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is the conversation between divine masculine and the divine feminine. Okay, so let's see what are the conversations. Okay, what are the things between divine masculine and the divine feminines? What does divine masculine wants to say? And what does divine feminine wants to say? I hope it resonates with you, but if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating according to your situations and leave the rest. Okay, so I'm going to take 5 messages, 5 things which divine masculine wants to say. Okay, and 5 messages from the divine feminine. What does divine feminine wants to say, who are in twin flame journey, who are not in contact with each other? So let's see what are the messages they want to say. Okay, please help me out, guides, god, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me, help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminines? Please give me the messages, help me out. Okay, so let's see, let's start. I've already shuffled the cards and I've get the 5 messages from the divine masculine, and let's see what are the 5 messages from the divine feminines. Okay, let's see what are the messages from the divine feminine. What does divine feminine wants to say to the divine masculine who are not in contact with each other? Okay, what are the messages? Give me the 5 messages. Two more messages. One more message. Please give me one more message. Divine feminine wants to say a lot of things. 0333. Okay, what is the message? One more message. One more message. Beautiful. Beautiful, I can say that. So okay, let me adjust my cards. Okay, so the first message divine masculine wants to say that you are only one I wanna be with. Okay, so that's the divine masculine is saying to the divine feminine that you are the only one I wanna be with. Then divine feminine is saying thank you for being you. Okay, thank you for being you. Okay, so that's the message I'm getting here. Thank you for being you. You are the only one I wanna be with. Then you have been in my dreams. Divine masculine wants to tell that divine feminines, you are, they're watching you in their dreams. Okay, the divine feminine is saying no matter what I do, my love for you grows stronger every day. This is beautiful. Divine feminine wants to tell divine masculine that no matter what I do, but my love for you grows stronger day by day. There is divine masculine is saying you inspire me to become best version of myself. This is beautiful. Okay, so you inspire me to become the best version of myself. That's what divine masculine is saying. Divine feminine is saying I will not give up on us. I will not give up on us. Okay, okay, that flow out I will take it later on. Then the divine masculine is saying you make me a better person. Okay, you make me a better person, you inspire me to become the best version of myself. Okay, so this is beautiful, I can say that. Then they want to say that you are my sun and strength. Okay, because you inspire me to become the best version of myself. you make me a better person. Okay, so divine feminines are saying that I choose fully surrender and trust in the divine. And that's beautiful. Once you surrender to the divine, this is beautiful state. They want to tell you, divine masculine, that they choose fully surrender, they choose fully surrender and trust in the divine. I am exactly where I need to be. Okay, so they are in a higher frequencies. Both of you are in the higher frequencies. I can say that they are exactly where they need to be. So this is what they want to tell you, and this is beautiful, I can say that. Okay, so let's see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. Okay, what are the signs for this reading? What are the signs? What are the signs which you may be dealing with? What are the signs for this reading? What are the signs? Okay, so they can be a Leo or Aries here. Okay, Leo or Aries. They can be a Virgo. They can be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, air sign. Okay, they can be an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini and Libra. They can be Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, water sign. Okay, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and they can be a Sagittarius here. Okay, let me see what are the next steps divine masculine is going to take. Okay, what does they want to tell more? What are the next they want to take, next steps for this reading? What is the next step they want to take? Eight of Cups, Two of Swords, Three of Pentacle, Page of Cup, High Priestess, Ace of Cups, new beginnings. So yes, this is beautiful, I can say that. Okay, so they are moving in a forward direction. They're moving in a forward direction towards the wish fulfillment. Right now they are making a decision. Right now they are unable to make a decision with the Two of Swords, but they are making a decision here. Okay, they are focusing on you here, divine feminines. Three of Pentacles, and they are coming towards you with the sorry, with the apology, with a small message, with the Page of Cups. Why they're coming towards you? Because they are using their intuitions. High Priestess, they are using their intuitions, and they want to offer you Ace of Cups. They want to start new beginnings. New beginnings are coming for you, divine feminines or the divine masculine, whoever is watching this video. So new beginnings are coming for you. They want to offer you a cup which is full of emotions. Emotional fulfillment is coming for you. Okay, new beginnings are coming for you. So this is beautiful, I can say that. So this was your reading. Okay, so this was your messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. I hope it resonates with you, it helped you out in some manner. If it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Take care of yourself and see you soon.